What up? What it is? What's happening, YouTube? It's your boy Srtfied, and I'm back with another video for y'all. If this is your first time on this channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button ASAP. So I literally just got home from work today, and there's nothing better than coming home to some car parts that I've ordered. So I don't know if I mentioned this, but I'm starting to kind of focus back on my performance modifications. So I had to order something that would definitely transform the way my car handles on the daily. So currently, like I said, performance mods in previous videos. If y'all want to know what I have, like I said, I always post my performance modifications in the description below. So if you want to know what I have done to my car performance wise and visually, look in the description below. You'll see everything that I have done to my car. So I wanted to get something, like I said, that will transform my car. It would just transform the way it drives. You know, it just, this part right here just makes the car that much more fun to drive around town and even in Mexico. So without further ado, hope y'all enjoy. This weather just got nasty really fast out here. I'm sure y'all heard it on my intro in the background. But let's get to what y'all really want to see. My little guard dog. Dogs are always scared when it starts raining or thundering. You good, man? You good? You excited like me? Are you excited? He ain't worrying about me at all. So this is my little box that I came home to. And though it's little, it's actually pretty heavy. As y'all can see, the box is over 73 pounds. If I remember looking at the tracking right, I think it said 76 pounds. Well, I just feel like an idiot because it says it right here, 76 pounds. So though it's a little box, it's not a box that has nothing in it. You know, sometimes you get packages that are in a decent sized box, and when you open it, they over package whatever you order. So let's get this thing opened up. So I want to be surprised just as much as y'all. Of course, another box, a box within a box. So I'm gonna have to get something to cut these straps. Let me find something. All right, so got my scissors. Hopefully these scissors will cut through these, no problem. Oh, yep, no problem. Love these scissors. These scissors are super sharp. Packaging. Try to get this box to stay open. Ooh. Ew. What do we have here? Look at that beauty. So the factory differential final drive that comes with the 2013 SRTs is the 306 gears. They do come with limited slip. So this part is the MOPAR. It's a genuine MOPAR part. It's the Getrag or Getrag, however you say it, Getrag 392. They advertise it as a 392 final drive, but it is technically a 391. I think it's a 3919, which is why they advertise it as a 392 diff. But it's, in reality, it's a 391. But it definitely came in good packaging. I don't see any damage. I'm literally looking at everything. Not sure what this little thing is, but taking this out, everything looks good in there. Ooh, smells like differential fluid. This is where the drive shaft axles, not drive shaft axles, but the axles mount up at inside there. So looking at the teeth, everything looks good inside there. On the back side, everything looks good. Yeah, this thing looks very good. It is brand new. I did not get this used. I had the opportunity to get this part used. However, I was nervous about getting it and it failing on me, or me not being able to see any hidden damage, because I had an opportunity to get it from a buyer that I guess works at a junkyard, and I would have been able to get the part for a lot cheaper than this part is brand new. So I was able to get this part brand new for a little over, I believe, $1,700. Yeah, it was actually, yeah, over $1,700. I think it was like $1,762 or something like that. And I purchased it through, I can't remember the website. I think it's RPPM or something like that. I'm gonna double verify, and I'm gonna post it right here on where I purchased the gears at. And I'll also post a link below to these gears. But yeah, they came out to around $1,700, but you get a brand new part, brand new. So for you guys, if you guys want to see what the part number is, so for the chargers, they, like I said, they come with the 306 gears from the factory. They do have limited slips, so this is not an upgrade. The limited slip in this one is not an upgrade. It's literally just a replacement. However, the 391 gears, or 392 as they advertise them, will definitely give me much more low-end performance. Well, actually, much more low to mid performance. I will sacrifice a little bit on the top end, but it's not often that I'll be going over those type of speeds anyway. So, I mean, every now and then I might hit those speeds, but definitely not on the regular. So I'm not really too worried about top speed. So yeah, this is my next modification. All right, so why did I get this modification? Well, number one, like I said, I wanted something that will make my car much more fun to drive. For those that own the 11 through 14 Chargers, everybody knows those come with the 5-speed transmission. I wish they would have came with the 8-speed transmission like the 15s and up do, because those transmissions shift like no other. Like, I mean, you can't even compare the two. It's literally like, I drove a friend of mine's car that has the 8-speed, and it's night and day. It's definitely night and day. So for the 5-speed, one of the best upgrades you can do to your car that will definitely make your car feel more powerful. It does not, this part right here does not add power. It just changes the torque multiplication and how fast you will reach your torque, for without going too technical into the whole purpose of this. But it definitely changes the way your car drives. It definitely does. I would say the biggest downfall of getting these gears is probably fuel economy, because with a higher gear ratio, your RPMs when you're cruising will be a little higher than normal. I think from the research I've done and the videos I've seen, people have been saying that their average RPMs have been sitting around 500 to 600 RPMs higher than normal. under any given cruise condition. So spinning higher RPMs on the highway or anything like that obviously means you're going to burn more fuel. So the fuel, you definitely take a little bit of a hit on the fuel economy side, but not too much. If I remember, I can't remember who it was on YouTube that I watched. He actually did it to his Challenger, and I think he claimed 20 miles per gallon. I'll make sure to post a link to his YouTube channel right here. I'll definitely find it for you guys. I think he sold, if I remember right, he sold his Challenger not too long after he did the gear swap, but he did a thorough review on the gears, and I'm actually going to do a thorough review on the gears as well. Show you guys RPMs. I'm gonna do some 0 to 60s. The only thing is, I'm gonna get these things installed. It's probably gonna be in the next 2 to 3 weeks that I'm gonna get these installed. And then there's a 500-mile break-in period that I have to do on these gears before I can even get on them, because you definitely want to break in those gears so they, so they don't break on you, so you don't have any, catastrophic failures, because I've seen people destroy their rear ends, and I'm definitely not trying to do that with this set of gears, because it's not a cheap part. So it will require a retune. I don't think it's a full tune. I think I'm gonna go back to Tuners Inc. and have Tony update the trans tune that I have done through HPTune for the new gear set. So so everything is right. So like I said, I'm gonna get these things installed in a couple of weeks. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video for y'all. If y'all have any questions, make sure y'all hit me in the comments below. But yeah, I'm super stoked. I'm super excited. The only other person that I know for a fact that has done a rear gear swap is my homeboy G-Stacks_392. I think he did a 390 rear end swap, and it definitely changed how his Charger drove. So I can't wait to do this. And the biggest thing is, from what I've read, I don't know how true this is, I'll find out once I get these gears installed, is that the 5-speed transmission actually reacts much better to a higher gear ratio than the new 8 speeds. The new 8 speeds react to it well as well, but the 5 speeds, yeah, it from what I've read, not sure how true it is, we'll find out, but I heard the 5 speeds, it makes a bigger difference on the 5 speeds. So we shall see what this thing will do. So I'm super excited, but I hope y'all are excited as I am. I'm definitely gonna keep y'all posted on when I get this thing installed, the break-in period and all that stuff. So, but yeah, that's gonna wrap it up today for this video on this unboxing. If you like the contents of this video, make sure you smash that like button. Again, if you got any questions, concerns, make sure y'all hit me on the comment section. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. You can feel free to DM me on Instagram as well if you don't want to hit the comment section. Make sure y'all share this video. And also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all don't miss any exclusive content, especially when I get these things installed. So until next time, YouTube, I hope y'all have a good day.